Winter weather can turn your morning routine into a back-breaking battle against snow. Whether it's clearing your driveway, sidewalk, or front steps, the right tool makes all the difference. That's why today, we're revealing the top 3 best electric snow shovels for 2025. Efficient, powerful, and designed to save you time and effort this snowy season. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for up-to-date pricing and the best deals. Let's get started. Number 3. Snow Joe Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. When winter hits and snow piles up, wouldn't it be great to have a tool that makes clearing it a breeze? Introducing the Snow Joe 24 VSS 13. A cordless snow clearing marvel designed to help you tackle snow removal quickly, efficiently, and without breaking a sweat. Whether it's clearing your walkways, driveway, or patio, this tool is a game changer for anyone tired of traditional shoveling. What sets the Snow Joe 24 VSS 13 apart is its impressive balance of power, portability, and ease of use. It's powered by Snow Joe's exclusive Ion Max 24-volt lithium-ion battery system, which provides up to 22 minutes of whisper-quiet runtime on a single charge. That's more than enough time to clear paths without disturbing the peace, whether you're up before dawn or working late into the evening. No more loud, gas-guzzling machines, just smooth, silent operation. Despite its compact size, this snow shovel packs a surprising punch. Equipped with a 400-watt motor, it can move up to 1,620 pounds of snow on a single charge. That's serious snow clearing power packed into a device weighing just under 13 pounds. The lightweight build, combined with its dual-handle ergonomic design, makes it incredibly easy to control and maneuver. Say goodbye to back-breaking strain and awkward bending. This tool lets you tackle winter snow removal comfortably and efficiently. Efficiency is where the Snow Joe really shines. Its 13-inch clearing width and 6-inch clearing depth mean you can cover a significant area with each pass. Plus, it throws snow up to 20 feet away, ensuring that the cleared snow doesn't end up right back in your path. The 2-blade paddle auger cuts through even compacted snow effortlessly, while the durable scraper blade at the base guarantees a clean, smooth finish. Whether you're clearing a wooden deck, a concrete driveway, or a paved walkway, you don't have to worry about scratches or damage. When the job is done, storage couldn't be simpler. The Snow Joe's sleek and compact design allows it to fit easily into tight spaces like closets, corners, or small garage areas. It's lightweight and easy to carry, so it's always ready to go when the next snowstorm hits. For homeowners seeking an affordable, easy-to-use solution for snow removal, the Snow Joe 24 VSS 13 cordless snow shovel is an excellent choice. It's powerful, portable, and eliminates the stress of clearing snow the old-fashioned way. Best of all, you'll finally be able to enjoy the winter season instead of dreading it. This winter, don't let snow slow you down. Make clearing your driveway or walkways a simple, stress-free task with the Snow Joe 24 VSS 13. Trust me, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. And before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button with the same energy you'll use to tackle those snow-covered paths this season. Number 2. Skil Snow Shovel Kit. When it comes to reliable, efficient snow removal, the Skil PWR Core 40 12-inch snow shovel attachment is a top contender. If clearing snow off your driveway, patio, or sidewalk feels like a never-ending battle during the winter months, this tool is here to save the day. Designed to make snow removal faster and easier, it offers power, versatility, and thoughtful features that set it apart from the competition. Let's start with performance. This snow shovel can throw snow up to 20 feet away, keeping your paths clear and free of those pesky snowbanks that tend to block the way. With a 12-inch clearing width, it's the ideal size for handling small to medium jobs efficiently, whether you're dealing with a light dusting of snow or a thicker, heavier buildup. You can say goodbye to the long, exhausting hours spent shoveling by hand. One standout feature of the Skil Snow Shovel Kit is its 2-speed selector, which adds a level of flexibility that's hard to beat. Need to power through a heavy snowfall quickly? Switch to maximum power and get the job done in no time. On the other hand, if you're dealing with lighter snow or want to extend battery life, the lower speed setting has you covered. This versatility means you're always in control, no matter what winter throws your way. What really sets this tool apart is its multi-purpose design. The snow shovel works as part of the Skil PWR Core 40 multi-head system, making it far more than just a snow-clearing tool. With additional compatible attachments, you can swap out the snow shovel for other jobs like trimming, edging, or gardening, giving you a year-round solution for all your outdoor tasks. It's a true multitasker that earns its spot in your toolkit. Durability and weather resistance are also key highlights. The IPX4 water resistance rating ensures it can withstand light rain, wet snow, and less than ideal weather conditions without compromising performance. This is a tool designed to last, no matter how tough the winter gets. You'll appreciate its solid build quality and consistent reliability, even during the coldest months of the year. Everything you need is included in the kit, so you can hit the ground running. It comes with the PWR Core 40 power head, the 12-inch snow shovel attachment, a 4 amp-hour battery, and an auto PWR jump charger. There's no need to hunt for additional parts or accessories. It's all in the box, ready to go. Plus, with its deck-friendly plastic auger, you can safely clear snow off wooden patios, decks, and other delicate surfaces without leaving scratches or damage behind. Comfort and usability are front and center in this design. The snow shovel is lightweight and easy to maneuver, and the ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip for longer tasks. Whether you're clearing a driveway, walkway, or patio, you can work efficiently without unnecessary strain. In short, the Skil 12-inch Snow Shovel Kit is the perfect combination of power, flexibility, and practicality. Its impressive snow-throwing ability, adjustable speed options, and compatibility with the Skil multi-head system make it a standout tool for any homeowner. Add in its thoughtful design, year-round versatility, and durable build, and you've got a snow-clearing solution that's hard to beat. If you're looking to simplify winter maintenance while getting the most out of your tools, the Skil Snow Shovel Kit is the one for you. Tackle winter like a pro and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having the right tool for the job. Number 1. Ego Multihead Snow Shovel Kit. If you're looking for a powerful and hassle-free way to tackle snow this winter, let me introduce you to the Ego Power Plus Multihead Snow Shovel Kit. Designed specifically for the Ego Multihead system, this electric snow shovel packs a punch with impressive features that make snow removal faster and easier than ever. Let's start with its remarkable throwing power. This shovel can throw snow up to 25 feet away, helping you clear paths without leaving messy piles and awkward spots. The best part? You're in control. With its integrated directional dial, you can adjust exactly where the snow lands with a simple twist. Combine that with a 12-inch clearing width, and you've got the perfect tool for clearing driveways, sidewalks, and decks in no time. If you've got a large driveway, this tool has your back. The included 56-volt, 4 amp-hour ARC lithium battery delivers enough power to clear a 4-car driveway covered in 6 inches of snow, all on a single charge. Whether you're dealing with a heavy snowstorm or just cleaning up after a light snowfall, the Ego Snow Shovel won't quit before the job's done. Now let's talk about durability and safety. This snow shovel features an advanced overload protection system that stops the auger automatically if it encounters a jam or heavy load. This prevents damage to the motor and electronics, giving you peace of mind while you work. You can push it to its limits without worrying. It knows when to pause. Comfort is a top priority too. The adjustable front handle lets you set the height that works best for you, making it easy to maneuver without straining your back. The variable speed trigger and 2-speed selector allow you to adjust the power to suit the conditions. Go full power for deep snow or dial it down for lighter jobs. For added security, the lock-off switch ensures there are no accidental starts, so you can use it confidently. Built to last, this shovel boasts IPX4 weather-resistant construction, meaning it's designed to perform even in tough conditions. The kit comes complete with the snow shovel attachment, power head, 56-volt, 4 amp-hour battery, and a 320-watt rapid charger, everything you need to get started right away. Say goodbye to noisy, gas-powered tools and hello to quiet, efficient power. And to top it off, it's backed by a 5-year tool warranty and a 3-year battery warranty, so you know it's a purchase you can rely on for seasons to come. Here's the deal. These electric snow shovels are in high demand and tend to sell out fast when winter hits. Don't wait until the first snowfall leaves you scrambling. Grab your Ego Multihead Snow Shovel Kit now and be ready when the snow starts piling up. We've done the research so you don't have to waste time on second-rate products. For more details and the latest pricing, check out the links below. Thanks for watching.